Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the data command in Minecraft. This powerful command allows you to directly interact with and change the NBT, or named binary tag, data of various game elements. Understanding NBT data is key to advanced command block creations and custom maps. We will explore its three primary subcommands: get, merge, and modify, each offering unique ways to interact with your game world. Let's dive in and unlock its full potential. First, let's look at the get subcommand. This is your go-to for inspecting the NBT data of any block, entity, or storage. You can retrieve the entire data set or specify a precise data path to pinpoint exactly what you need. The command will then output this information directly into your chat, making it incredibly useful for debugging or understanding how game elements are structured. It's a fundamental step in working with NBT. Next up is the merge subcommand, which is perfect for adding or updating NBT data without completely replacing it. Imagine you want to give a chest a custom name or add a specific enchantment to an item an entity is holding. Instead of rewriting all its data, merge allows you to seamlessly integrate new tags. This saves a lot of time and prevents accidental data loss, making your custom creations much more robust and easier to manage. Finally, we have the modify subcommand, the most versatile of the three. This command provides granular control, allowing you to perform specific operations like setting a value, appending to a list, inserting at a specific index, or even removing data entirely. It's incredibly powerful for intricate data manipulation, letting you fine-tune every aspect of your blocks, entities, or storage. With Modify, your command block possibilities are truly limitless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.